I get an error code E03 and F06 when I power on my Whirlpool Duet washer after installing a pedestal. I installed the transfer bolt and have removed them. What do the codes mean and how can I reset them?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. E03 F06 means you have an interface communication error. That means that the main control board isn't communicating with the front interface control board. You can pull the washer out, unplug the washer, and remove the 3 screws coming in from the back of the top panel. Next, the top panel will pull straight back, up, and off. Now check all the wire connections between the 2 control board and make sure they are all secure. If everything looks good, then the interface control board will need to be ordered and replaced. The part is generally $200 to $250 or so. I'm not sure how the interface board could be shorted from replacing the pedestal, but I've seen stranger things, so hopefully you just find a loose connection. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power, so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating.
Do I need to pull the front control board off? I only see one control, which is located on the top right as you look at the front of the washer.
Yes, the front panel will need to come off to see the interface control panel attached to the back of it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.